First set, switching side to side. Try to hold your upper body in the same position and extend one leg as much as you can, flex the other one, and switch. Extend by pushing with your butt back, put your weight on the heel. And try to put your upper body down between your legs. And then the second set, try to hold as much as you can by pushing in one leg. Try to relax your back. You can do these pulses on your maximum. Switch to the other leg and hold as much as you can. And the last set together. Hold it. Breathing. Also, if you can, try to flex a little bit and push. Breathe in when you flex and breathe out when you extend. Relax your head, relax your back. And that's all.